2012 6.2 liter. This little grommet gave out. It's very common for this year, make and model. Chevrolet Callaway. There, you see it. Yep. Come out from the bracket. Cracking these loose, those two. Is that there? Yeah, and then it pulls out the cable. That's on that side. Goes there. Towards the outside. The cable goes through there to the floor. That goes there. Need the dash. There's that. And there's a little tin. I don't know if you can see it, but. And these come out. Pull these off. Those tabs. Right there. Take off that with that lever. Tracing this lever. This cable. And as you put that down, so you gotta detach it from there. The grommet, right? There's one side. And that's what it is. Get that out. That cable goes over there, over the column, steering column, around there, and comes up down there. So you get that. Here's a little trick. It is 2 parts. So once you click it in with, take off that yellow, then you click it down together once it's hooked up together. And then you slide the sleeve over to lock. So that basically is going to go on there. But, so this has to go. It's got to go up and over. Wow. It's got to go through that loop. And then there's another one. So it's a trick. Take out this column. Down. Then these two. Oh, where's the other one? Up there. Right here. Okay, hold on. I'm just making sure.
But you have to slip.
Hold on. Right there. Okay. So basically, that goes through there. That goes through there and pull it back so it locks it up to there.